But currently at Binker, and I've got a lad coming down from, I don't know where he's come, I think he's come from Leeds, I'm sure, miles away. He's got a proper accent anyway. His name's Macaulay, he's selling a GTR, and, alright, I'll be with you, I'll be out there in a sec, yeah? Selling a GTR, and yeah, we're gonna have a little look at it, hopefully do a deal and get it up for sale, alright? There's the 1000 brake horsepower one, 55 grand on it, M2, still there, Transit, nice car that. Where are we? Where is he? This is the GTR, where's he gone? This is the GTR. Macaulay's obviously arrived and jumped out and gone somewhere. Let's have a little look around it. Yeah, it's a bit damaged there. So this is a categorised car, by the way, right? So it definitely ain't going to be perfect, but it's going to be the cheapest GTR in the country. So, yeah, I'm not expecting it to be a beautiful thing. Oh, there you are. Macaulay, yeah? Yep. You come to stitch me up with this GTR? Yep. Did a bit of welding before I came down. Where did you come from? Leeds, is it? Leeds, mate, yeah. So you drove down from Leeds today? Yep. Oh my god, man.
That must drive, did it?
What, your man here come down with you?
Yeah, he followed us in that banger.
Is that going to get you home, yeah?
Hopefully.
So, obviously, like, you've been speaking to Leon and Jerome, haven't you? So I don't know loads, I actually don't know loads about his car, so I know it's categorised, isn't it?
Yes.
What's the mileage on it?
37.
Okay.
Yep, 37.
And what was it, a front end damage, was it?
No, I've got the pictures, it was the back left.
Should we have a...
Yeah, it's alright.
Have a little wander around. Yeah, so the bumper's got like a bit of crack on the paint there. And
I did that.
You done that?
Coming back from Bridge last week.
Did you?
Just hit a pheasant.
Oh.
There's still hairs in that. Try getting them out, but...
Oh, that's alright though. That's fair enough, man. So it was hit on this corner here?
Yeah. The back bumper pushed in.
Such a shame they categorised in it. That's the thing with categorised cars. They sort of... They just tend to categorise things for no reason. Was it bad then? Did you see it?
No, I've got all the pictures from the salvage part, but no, it's fine.
So did you buy it from the salvage?
No, I bought it from a guy up near my end.
Okay, cool. What's going on here, mate? Look.
Just got off the tow truck now.
Oh, right. Let's have a little look inside. Tinted windows. So it's been tuned as well. You've had it tuned by Litchfield, yeah?
It was done when I bought the car. It was already done.
Okay. So what is it, stage 4.25? Same as my
670, I think it is, or 660.
660, yeah.
Yep. Fast.
Yeah, it's a quick car, man. Premium edition, because it's got the black outline. All right. Should we go out for a little drive in it, yeah?
Yeah, Sam.
Yeah? Cool. Yeah, I can drive. Right then. We'll let you drive then, yeah?
Yep, buckle up.
Come on, man. Sensible driving the country.
Nah, of course.
How long was your journey down here today then?
We said 2 hours 47, but we got in about 2:10.
Really? How did you manage that?
Doing 2:10. No, I'm only kidding. Nah, just steady driving, man.
So, how come you're selling it anyway?
Basically, I'm 25, I've had my own business the last few years, but I've always wanted one.
Yeah, cool.
And I didn't want to finance one, I just thought I'd get one, so I had the option to sell it.
Yeah. Because
I knew I wouldn't keep it long. So that's basically why, and then now, I don't know.
Would you chop and change your cars all the time? I'm the same age, we're all the same.
Yeah, I've had it now for a few months. It's not quite practical enough. And I always jump in this. 2 kids? Yeah, 2 young daughters.
Yeah, so
I always seem to jump in this and the other. I've got a Warrior, it's only an oldies thing. Just for work, but...
What do you do for work then?
I've got my own scaffolding company.
Ah, fair play, man.
Yeah.
So you're a proper grafter then, ain't you?
Yeah, definitely. So I thought I'd just treat myself.
Yeah, I suppose so you chose to buy a categorised car, is it? Because it was affordable?
Well, no, just instead of, you know, you pay the straight car money, won't you? I got it a bit cheaper, so I thought,
yeah,
it's alright.
So you felt like you got a bit of a deal. I suppose you weren't getting finance, so
no,
pay cash for it.
Yeah, just so I could have the option to sell it as and when. I knew we'd keep it long.
Yeah, how long you had it then?
About 3.5 months.
pretty long
just had
for some people.
I know, yeah, it's long for me. And it's just come out of Lichfield now.
So what did you get done at Lichfield?
It just got a service, and it needed an O2 map sensor.
Oh right.
And it cost just under £1,000. But other than that, there was nothing else needed doing.
Every time you put a GTR in, you're going to get £1,000.
Yeah, I thought it might have been more, to be honest.
Yeah.
Left?
Yeah, go left. Yeah, it's going to be busy around it. So what's it on 37,600? What map? You just switched the map there, did you?
Yeah, that's the stage 3.
Okay.
There's the 4. I've never even gone into 4. I don't really. Oh, they have.
So what's it been like? Have you had any problems with it?
Not a single problem. I've just, like I say, hit a pheasant.
That's so annoying.
Nightmare,
It makes
mate, honestly.
front end of the car looks a bit rough because of it, but that's fair enough. Ain't too much wear on the gear stick over
No,
there.
it's got fairly low miles on it.
Yeah. Little hiss from the dump valves as well.
Yeah, the blow-offs that.
They're f***ing quick, aren't they, these cars?
Yeah.
So this is stage, so 600, so exactly the same setup as my GTR, my old one.
Yep.
And it ain't had nothing else done to it, no suspension, no wheels.
No.
Stock.
Quite comfy as well.
Was it all done by Lichfield, you know?
Yep, all done by Lichfield. That's what made me buy it as well, even though it was categorised. I thought at least it's been done by
Lichfield have got a bloody good reputation, haven't they?
Yeah.
And then the service history and that is also...
Yeah, it's got, well, it's just fall from Lichfield.
Yeah,
So
of course.
it's 20k and then a couple after that. That's why I live in Leeds, but I thought I need to take it down there because I just want it to be done right.
Yeah, fair play, man. Go straight up there.
Yeah.
Cool, so... They're so drivable as well, aren't they? So what car are you going to go for?
I had an X5 before this, I had a 64. Kind of miss that really.
Because it's practical, isn't it? This is dilemma I have all the time.
I might get the M50D next with the M30D.
Yeah, that's a good choice of car.
So it's, I don't know, I like the E63S.
Yeah, what, like DMO's one?
Yeah. I like the estate though.
Yeah, estates are cool, man. Yeah. Listen, do you know what, the premium editions are nice. I've never had a premium edition.
Yeah.
They've got the black outlines of the seats, isn't it?
Yeah.
I suppose you just bought it.
To be fair, I didn't even know it was a premium edition until I ran insurance.
Yeah. Oh right.
So like a premium edition, I thought happy days.
I suppose you just bought the right car for the right money, and that was it. What's the sat nav as well?
Sat nav.
Heated seats.
Heated seats.
Oh, wicked. It's not bad. God, it's such a shame it's categorised. What is it? Cat S or N?
Cat S. Literally, I've got the photos, and it's a bumper. Honestly,
it's terrible, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, as far as selling is concerned, obviously you come from Leeds, man. So you come down, you got in contact with us.
Yep. I got in touch with Leon, and then he sent me to a guy in Shipley, one of your branches.
Ibby.
And he said he just wanted someone straight for his kind of retail.
Yeah. Ibby's got some lovely stock, and this is probably like he's got a couple of GTRs in stock at the minute, I think, and they're like high end.
Yeah, he likes all the prestige ones.
HPI clear. That's fair enough, isn't it?
You just said you like the bangers. So.
Yeah, I like the old sheds. Nah, but you know what? Low budget cars, they're good, aren't they?
It's entry level, isn't it?
It's entry level money. It's an entry level car.
It was ideal for me.
Yeah.
If I'm going to get a finance, I'd have probably got the new one. If I'm looking at keeping it a long term, but I knew it wasn't, so.
I suppose, like, and it's a low mileage car, man.
Yeah,
the trade off is like, I know you've got categorised, but would you rather have a categorised low mileage one or a high mileage straight car? That's a bit of a fun. I don't know what I'd rather have, but yeah, it seems like a proper nice car.
It drives solid.
It's spot on, isn't it? You ain't had no gearbox issues.
No.
Bell housing's been done. It's common forward.
Yes, I think it has been done. Actually, that's what they said.
And like the service history prior to Lichfield, it's all good.
Yeah, well, it's just from Lichfield.
Oh, okay.
4 services from Lichfield.
Oh, so they've maintained. Oh,
yeah,
okay, cool.
That's why I sent it back down to them, just so it kept it going. It's gonna get a quick fit.
Oh, right.
It just won't look good with it.
Yeah, no.
Peace of mind for someone.
Yeah, it's got to be done. We'll spin around, go back now.
Yeah.
Do you know what? I must admit, like, I had quite low expectations of it, and now you turn up, and it did. Like the front end does look a little bit.
Yeah, and that happened literally 2 weeks ago. It's a bit of a nightmare.
But
other than that, that what I've actually got. Yeah, it's solid. Once you see the picture of the damage, you'll understand why it is alright.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah. It's quite good getting a seller on the channel as well. Like, I'm trying to do a bit more of this, getting sellers on the channel. People want to reach. People obviously always reaching out to sell their cars to me. Yeah. And I never feel, I'm so busy. Even today, you see how rushed I am. I've got to do school run in half an hour. So
I'm gonna be late.
Oh really? But you know, life's a big rush all the time. But it's quite cool to get a seller on the channel.
That's a good idea, to be honest.
Yeah. No, it's good to get you on, man.
Yeah, no worries.
So yeah, I think we ain't done a deal yet, but I'll let you know at the end of this video if we've done a deal. It's looking like, you know, you've come from Leeds, man. It's good as we spoke about money prior. Anyways, we're there or thereabouts with me. So I'm gonna end it here. Have I missed anything? I don't think we've missed anything. We spoke about enough. Yeah, we'll let you know in a sec if a boy or not. Hit like if you like the video. Hit subscribe if you're new. Give me a follow on Instagram at Calvin's Car Diary. Macaulay, we'll put your Instagram in the description below if people want to see what car you get. You know, it might be interesting. We'll do that as well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Right, sorry, got no mic, but yeah, we have done a deal, and these guys are going to head back to Leeds now. This fella here wants to just quickly tell you lot something as well. So you're the guy driving the Mercedes, yeah?
Yeah.
And did your lad watch my videos then?
Watches his videos. It's called Ridley Gilmore from Leeds.
Ridley Gilmore?
Yeah, from Leeds.
Really? What's his, sorry, how old is he?
Yeah, he's 12.
12? Yeah. Shout out to Ridley Gilmore, yeah?
Ridley Gilmore from Leeds.
Alright, cool, no problem, man. Alright, no worries. Right, gotta go. School run, see you later. Since filming this video, this GTR is now sold. If you are selling your GTR, please do get in contact with me via the email link in the description below. In the next episode of Diary of a Car Trader, a Stage 1 tuned Lamborghini Gallardo LP 560.